So guys, today you are going to see how to get the free 1.5 GB on MTN, and this is for every MTN SIM card. So what you have to do, you have to first check. I want to first check, and I show you that I don't have any data on my SIM card. So then we go on. So to do this, you have to have data on you. Okay, you have to have the internet connection so that you can do what, you can start. So what you have to do, you have to have the MTN PULSE app, my MTN, and MTN MOMO, so that those are the apps that will help you to get this data. So please, if you are new here, subscribe and tag the notification bell so that you don't miss out more tricks. Thank you for those who have subscribed. So let's start. So what you have to first do, you open one of the app, then you start. So this is MTN PULSE. Yeah, so it will say loading. So you need to have data. So then after, you put your number which is, you put your number inside, then you said I continue. So the code will just automatically insert itself. Already the code have come, and so we wait the code for the code to come, then we see. So this is the code, you have to copy it, then you place it here. Then you first open the app. Now the app will open it. The app will open for the first time. So now after doing that, you have to go to this, to the 157 6 hash, the 1 hash, then you say MTN Uganda. So they are going to do, you have already pressed just the *7 for bundles or rewards. So what you have to do, you will mark it, then you go back to your MTN PULSE. You go back to your MTN PULSE and you wait for the data. So what you have to do, you have to tap this egg in order to crack the egg. Then they are going to load and they give you 500 MBs. Congratulations, you see the thing here, data bonus loaded, 500 MBs valid for 3 days. So you are going to another app, you are going to my MTN app, you are going to my MTN app, you put the same number 69999. So it will verify itself. Tap to verify it. So if you have the embedded neighbor network, you have to put the number which is real, 6, then it will first verify. So now here, even here, you have to wait for the code. You have to first wait for the code. This is the internet, the other bundle which they have given me. So now the code will just put itself automatically, and then they show you here your what. Then here they bring for your request is being processed, please wait for the confirmation message. Then another free bundle is loaded of 500 MBs. So after that one, they are going to show it to you here on 500 points, century points, everything they are there. then 100 MBs, 1000 MBs is there. That is the number of the MBs I have got now. So now another bundle, you are going to get it using my MTN MOMO, but there will be the problem that it will not show. So here you are going to put the number 617169999. Sorry, you have to put the number correctly, then 469999. So you wait for the code. You are going to wait for the code. You have to be very patient. So the code will put itself. Then when it say that, you have to first do what? To go back. Then you put the code. You put the code 07614699999. Then you wait for the code. I'm going to wait for the code. So the code will put itself. So here they are going to say put in your pin. You are going to put in your pin. So that is my pin. Then they are going to send you another code. Here I'm going to send you another code. So that is the code, you put it. So here they have blocked for your account. So this is your account. This is your account. So you have to wait for the data, for another data. So here they have said thanks for using the MOMO. Now that means that they are going to give you another 500. Your request is being processed. So they have given me another 100 MBs for this MOMO. Let me screenshot and I show you. So now everything is okay. Everything is okay. So please let me show you that I have got the 1.5 MBs, 1.5 GB. I think you see it, 1.4 GB. That means that is yeah. So that is what it's all about. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.